We out here, y'all. It is your boy, Terrence Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness. And I'm here, back at it again with another video for y'all. So, I just want to talk about the stock market, right? And the reason why I want to talk about the stock market is because number one, I'm about to go to Apple right quick to go pick up quick order on Uber. Somebody ordered an Apple product. But number two is because the stock market has been on fire, right? And as y'all can see, I'm out here, Grand Central. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful out here. Let me show y'all right quick. So if you are new to the channel, or if you are somebody that's never been to New York City, this is Grand Central Terminal. You know what I'm saying? There be a lot of people out here. Look, everybody be running to go catch their train. That's how I go. Y'all see the American flag. The Apple store, y'all can see right there. Apple logo. And yeah, man, the stock market has been on fire. I get to give y'all a better view of Grand Central Station. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. But if y'all have not started investing yet, I'm telling y'all right now, y'all missing out on some gains, bruh. Y'all missing out on extreme gains. And this is one of my favorite companies in the stock market. Alright, like I was saying, y'all. So, it's been raining outside, so that's why my face look kind of wet. But, yeah, man, if you have not been investing, you are missing out on a lot of potential gains. You know what I'm saying? And I tell y'all all the time, bro, the stock market is a long-term journey. It is a long-term experience. And I feel like what holds people back the most is like they are afraid, bro. They literally be afraid to be wrong. All jokes aside. Or you want to wait till a stock hit a certain price in order for you to get in. But in reality, bro, like if you think like a long-term investor, you don't care what the prices is doing. You just more so worried about how can I make my money work for me. You know what I'm saying? So as y'all can see, like I said, I'm in the Apple store. Apple sells all of these amazing products, and it's like, bro, I could try to tell you, yo, invest into this company, invest into that company, but if you don't do it, then it's up to you. You feel me? If you want to just continuously live life in a certain way, that's on you. There's nothing I can do about that. Hold on. So I'm about to just show you a couple of the products. I just got the customer item right here, so I'm gonna go drop this off too. But it's just things like this, yeah. Like, you know, and it's, to me, the way that I look at this world is like, this world is legitimately a big business, bruh. You know what I'm saying? So if I know that I am an Apple iPhone user, I'm gonna keep getting me some Apple stock. You know, if I know that plenty of people shop on Amazon, or plenty of people are going to buy some Tesla cars, right? And you got to think about the future. Like, how do y'all think this world is about to be in the future? You know what I'm saying? You should start investing to these companies because they going to keep growing, and growth is infinite. The thing with people's mindset sometimes is like, it's just so like limited. You know what I'm saying? And that's scary, to have a limited mindset that you self-impose. Now, the reason why I'm expressing this is because every day I'm constantly working on my mentality. I'm constantly working on my mindset. And in order for me to reach the best version of myself, I gotta do things like this. Make videos out in public, not caring. You feel me? Like, not caring who watching, not caring about none of that. Just getting out of my comfort zone, you know? It's just like enjoying the process, bruh. Enjoying the process. Like, I've learned to be a person that knows how to delay his gratification, right? And I've been learning every day, like, bro, there ain't no handouts in life. This is a long-term experience. And if you take the journey one day at a time, you think long-term, the success is going to come your way. Because you're doing what majority of people isn't doing. Now, if you continuously live your life as only a consumer, that's it. I'm just going to get things that I don't need. I'm just going to purchase items because of whatever reason. But you don't own a piece of an asset. You don't own nothing. You're not going to teach yourself how to get better financially. And I'm not no guru. I'm not no freaking Mr. Know-It-All. Like, nah, bro. I'm a person that's learning every day. You feel me? I just started a new career, a new job field. I have my second day of the academy, and you feel me? I got the third day tomorrow, and I'm gonna constantly keep on investing my money. That's just the name of the game, bro. The name of the game is make the money, and then make the money work for you. Real talk. Own some real estate, own stocks, own ETFs, and study, bro. Study. The more that you study the skill, the better you're gonna get at it. You know what I'm saying? When prices, I tell you all the time, bro, when the stock market, I've been waiting on a discounted day for the longest, bro. When prices get discounted, that's when you're supposed to really like put up more. Because you know in the long term, you might be making some great gains. You feel me? People missed out on Tesla. Tesla was 140, 150. People missed out on that. Now Tesla, I called it. I said Tesla's gonna be over $400. What's the stock price at now? It's over $400. I said, get y'all some Amazon. Get y'all some Amazon. Amazon is over $220 now. Yo, get y'all some Apple. Apple stock is over $230 now. Like, might as well call me Houdini. Word though. But at the end of the day, your journey is your journey. I just advise y'all, if you have not started investing, I advise you to invest. If you want to join the group, I got a free Discord. I'm in a Telegram chat. I got my own Telegram chat. That's it. But don't miss out on gains, bro. Don't miss out on money that can change your life for the better. Real talk. But it's up to you. It's not up to me. It's up to you. When it all boils down to it, though, whatever you do is strictly up to you. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to tell y'all what I do and what works for me, and that is grinding it out with life. You know, trying to continue to create YouTube videos for y'all and own assets, bro. Cause yo, bro, it's really no way around it. There's no way around it, bro. And you, like, it's like our mindset as human beings have to change in order for us to really, really succeed. You know, in order for us to really like create the best version of ourselves, you gotta change the way that you like view money, and you gotta have a better relationship with it. And I'm not trying to sit there and tell y'all, just make money the center of your life. Like, nah, bro. You got God, you got your family, you got your spouse, you got yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like, so that's just what it is. But what I'm telling y'all is like, bro, you gotta own assets, bro. I don't care who you are. Word, I don't care who you are, bro. And if your parents didn't teach you about the stock market, it's because they didn't have the knowledge of it. You know what I'm saying? But you gotta break that dynamic. Real talk, because these companies are going to keep on getting bigger, and people are going to continue to use them. So you might as well own them, and you might as well increase your net worth with them. All right. So that's just a quick video for y'all. This video will be posted on the YouTube channel on Thursday. Today is Wednesday. Like I told y'all, today's my second day of the academy. We went through a lot. I took a lot of notes, but I just didn't want to talk about it in this video in particular. But yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Terrence Carter, teaching talk to you fitness. Yes, sir.